When it comes to a sales conversation, you have a couple of phases. In total, there are 5, but the most important phase is the preparation. Because when you prep a sales call, it helps you with a better opening, a better discovery, a better presentation and demonstration, and it helps you, of course, with a higher closing rate. What we're gonna do in this automation is we show you how you get a better preparation without you even lifting a finger. So now let's dive into that automation.
Fabio, can you explain what each part of this automation means?
So right here, our trigger is a webhook, which is connected to our CRM or our LinkedIn outreach system, and you can link it to your CRM or your Calendly link or whatever. And what this does is it takes information, think like first name, last name, LinkedIn profile, website URL, and sets it all in stone right here. Right here, it will extract the URL and start to do an internet scrape. So what these 3 models basically do is they do a full Google search on that company, then goes right here, and then you see an if module. And basically this means if this certain variable exists, it will take one path. And if it does not exist, it will take the other path. So right here we have the LinkedIn URL. It's going to do a scrape of the LinkedIn profile of the lead. It's going to put all that data together and use all the other company data that we got here and combine those, which will provide you with a full overview of your lead and the lead's company. And here it only does the company search if the LinkedIn URL does not exist. After that, it's going to combine them all together and it's going to update our database for your front end.
The database, that would be someone's CRM system like a HubSpot, Pipedrive, or anything.
And then it's going to respond back to our webhook. So our LinkedIn outreach system knows, hey, the run is done. Here's the information, and we will see it in our platform.
Now, how this system actually works, if we use our own LinkedIn outreach system that we built, where we gather all the information for the leads to do personalized outreach. For example, if we take me as a lead.
Let's go to our leads page here and add a lead manually. So we're going to add Job.
And the nice part, what you see about this, it's the most obvious information you always ask from someone when you have a sales conversation, a coaching conversation with a prospect or a lead when they put in a Calendly. You bound this to your normal system, and that normal system will put all the information directly into your CRM system. Now we use it for our own system. We can go on and do research about me, because the most important step of any call that you have is preparation, and this does preparation for you.
Now let's go into the lead details. So here you can already see we have the company name, when they got added, if there's a LinkedIn profile available, and if there's a company website available. So we're going to click to here. We're going to research the company. So that's the workflow you just saw working. It's going to update itself right there. Let's
And this
scroll down.
all happens automatically from the moment someone would book in a call, from the moment the automation gets triggered.
So yeah, here you can see a bunch of company information about us, about our clarity graph, but also some information about Job himself.
What this gives you is a short 1 to 5 minute read. So you have all the information up front, done your research without even lifting a finger. So the call can go 5 times better. You're more specific in the questions that you can ask. And through system prompts, you can do this or generate this in such a way that you get all the information from someone based on the data they will put in and automatically research to put into your CRM. This, of course, is what we use right now for this LinkedIn system that we built, but we can customize this in any way how, or you can customize it yourself in any way how through the automation that we just gave you.
Now that you have all the information automatically without you lifting even a finger, we can go into the opening. The opening of a sales conversation is quite easy actually, because you have the first 7 seconds before someone creates an opinion about you. In those first 7 seconds, it's good that you read through the information that you just got through the Calendly link, tidy call, or anything that's now in your CRM. That could be Pipedrive, HubSpot, or any other CRM that you use. Some people even use Notion. So you can have a good first question to ask. We created me as a lead. So in the information that we gathered, of me because of the information that I gave you through my LinkedIn URL and the website URL, you know that I have a podcast. So you can say as a first question, hey, how cool that you have a podcast. And your rapport is instantly better because you've shown that you put effort into getting to know me, even though you did not even put in effort because you have an automation integrated that does all the research for you. Then, of course, after the opening and you built some rapport, you had some chit chat, it's good to go into the discovery. Discovery, you can see it as you're a doctor. You need to know what's going on. You need to know where the pain of someone comes from. And because the system already did some research about someone's company through the website URL that they fill in, or again, through the LinkedIn URL that they fill in, and the system that researches and scrapes everything, you know what kind of industry they have. The system gives you industry pain points. So you have specific questions that you can ask based on the information that they give you to create a gap from where they are right now, their current situation. You can ask specific questions based on the pain points and industry insights that the system gave you to their preferred situation, their desired situation, where they want to go to. And based on that gap, you can identify how your product or service is the bridge of getting them there. But because you have the information up front, again, you have a major advantage. And all of this just becomes easier only because you have information up front to the system. And if there's anything you need from us, just ask and reach out. We can hop on a call and see how we can help you.